This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure battery is above 20% and wipe the fingerprint area. A dirty sensor causes failures. Open settings, tap passwords and security, then fingerprint unlock. You must create a secure backup PIN, pattern, or password first. This protects access if the sensor fails. Once the backup is set, choose Add Fingerprint and place your finger on the sensor as prompted. You'll lift and reposition the finger several times so the phone captures edges and center for reliable recognition. Once you've started enrollment, follow the on-screen taps patiently until the meter reaches 100%. That ensures full area capture. You should add at least 2 fingerprints, thumbs or index fingers, so you can unlock ergonomically. Make sure to enable fingerprint use for screen unlock, and if desired, app lock and My Account or payment authentication in the same menu. You can also toggle lock screen fingerprint shortcuts. These steps explain why multiple entries and permissions increase convenience and security. You're almost done. Lock the phone and test unlocking from several angles and after the screen sleeps to confirm reliability. Make sure your backup PIN is memorized and consider trusted devices or smart lock as alternatives. If recognition fails, first clean the sensor, then re-enroll the problematic finger. Dirt, moisture, or worn prints cause most errors. If re-enrolling doesn't help, remove any screen protector or case that covers the sensor and check for MIUI updates. These fixes resolve the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.